Well, looky here. What do we have here? We got some rock blocks. What do they call this stuff? The rock blocks. Do you block the rocks? Front and rear splash guards for the Hellcat. I mean, think about this. Why aren't I putting them on this car? I mean, this is the Hellcat Red Eye. I mean, even for me, I'm like, wait a second. Why is the Scat Pack getting first call on this job over my Hellcat Red Eye? I mean, are you kidding me? Am I delusional? Am I confused? Am I favoring the kid? Am I favoring the dogs? Alright, so let's put some splash guards on here to hopefully cut down on that bottom roughing up of the paint, right? Some people do the PP on this stuff. Not a bad idea. I'm going to do the rock blocks. So watch me.